Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a game that gets stuck on the loading screen or not responding. If the game is completely frozen, don't wait for it to recover. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find the game or its launcher, such as Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or Riot Client, right-click it, and choose End Task. After that, launch the game again and see if it loads normally. If the problem continues, check the game files. Corrupted or missing files can cause endless loading screens. In Steam, open your library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're using another launcher, look for a similar Repair or Verify option. Next, run the game with administrator permissions. Right-click the game executable file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program as administrator, then click Apply. If you're playing an older game, also enable Compatibility mode and choose Windows 7 or Windows 8. Finally, update your graphics driver. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers section, and install any available updates. If you have an AMD GPU, open AMD Adrenalin and click Check for updates. Restart your computer after the update, then launch the game again. Thanks for watching.